Hot Bird, Hot Wheels Classics, another beautiful chrome car. Look at that. Look how it shines like a sterling silver. Oh, you thought I'd say gold, didn't you? Chrome doesn't shine like gold, it just shines like sterling silver. So mighty fine Hot Bird. Gotta get where that Hot Bird, that massive bird in the front of the trunk or the hood looks real plain to see, man. Blue. So look at that color it is. Funky blue, man. Far out blue. That's a new word. I haven't used that. Far out. I'm gonna start using far out for a while.